Hello and welcome to EveryDadDIY. I'm Gavin. Today we're going to be talking about Wolfcraft and why I'm doing so many Wolfcraft reviews there at the moment. So essentially it started at Christmas time. My wife bought me a Wolfcraft pocket hole jig for Christmas, and I tried it out and reviewed it on the channel. It actually did fairly alright and it got a good few views, and Wolfcraft must have seen it themselves. So a guy from Wolfcraft named Ryan reached out to me and he said he was interested in sending me over some more tools if I was interested in reviewing them. Tools, I'm always interested in having more tools, so
Oh yeah.
I said send them over. Just to get it out of the way, this is not a paid thing. I don't get any money out of this or anything like that. I don't have to say nice things or good things or bad things. I don't have to say anything. It's my opinion, it's my review. So yeah, there's no bias or anything like that. It just happens that they do actually make half decent tools for half decent prices. I tested them out, to work really well. So yeah, that's how it all came about. I did actually receive them about 3 weeks ago, I'd say, and I did an unboxing video which I never released, so I'm going to play that on the end of this one as well, so you can kind of see me unbox. Yeah, so that's the story with all the Wolfcraft stuff, so nothing too exciting. So yeah, I've one more video coming out, and then we'll be back to doing more workshop videos. I'm going to concentrate more on doing some woodwork and just general stuff in the shed, get away from doing the electronic stuff. I'm kind of getting a bit bored with that at the moment, to be honest. I want to get out and do something with my hands and get stuck into another project. So if you're interested in that, make sure you subscribe. And yeah, so other than that, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.